Even if you have a will, you may not have a proper estate plan. And an estate plan is something that everyone needs regardless of your assets, regardless of your age, because we are guaranteed to die one day. And everyone has assets, like a house. You have cars, things that are going to be passed on to someone else. And so if you have a business, let's say, and it's an LLC or it's a S corporation, well, who's going to inherit those things one day? You've got the kids that are eventually going to inherit it. So the government has rules for that we have set up. And sometimes a trust can help you make sure that you have a proper estate plan to make sure it passes on to the children that you love so much. So you want to put some of these assets that you want to put in the trust to make sure attorneys, government, taxes, all of the headache and hassles that can go on, a living trust, a revocable trust can help accomplish that. It is called funding the trust. It's getting all the things that are necessary to be able to do that. If you have the lake house over here, you have it in your personal name, a lot of times if the husband and wife pass, it will go into probate. And probate isn't this evil word, it just costs a lot of money to be able to make sure that it passes to the family members that are going to inherit it. So there's also other kinds of trusts that can help with tax planning. You may have a college that you want to give some money to, and you're about to sell the lake house, and you have made a lot of money on it because the market's gone up, and you want to sell it for $1 million. Well, you're going to pay a lot of tax on that. So you could put it and give it to a college inside of a charitable trust. And the charitable trust could help pass it on tax-free to them. They inherit it, you don't pay the tax, you get income for life, and you could even pass the income on to your kids. So everybody wins except the IRS and the Department of Taxation of the state that you live in. Make sure you have a proper estate plan and it's funded properly and all the assets are in it. If you haven't done the things that we spoke about today in funding your estate plan, reach out to your trusted advisor and ask them to help you get this set up. It's imperative that it's done. You can also go to our website at financialplanningva.com for some more information.